Hey guys, today let's learn how to generate a QR code for your Facebook page. So this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do is to go on over on your preferred Facebook page that you want to go ahead and create a QR code for. And once you're already here, I want you guys to just tap on this three dots option and then copy the link to this Facebook page. Now once you're there, let's go on over on Safari, and the next step is to search for a QR code generator. Now what this is going to do is it's going to turn any link that we have into a customized QR code. So just go ahead and tap on accept all cookies, enter the website or your text through here, and then tap on generate QR code. Once this is done, you can actually now see your QR code right here and also change its orientation or layout like so. You could also change its shape and color or add a logo to this, but once you're done, you could actually just take a quick screenshot of this or tap on the download JPEG option right there. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.